What's up, everybody? So today I want to cover muddy radiators and what you can do about it. There's only a couple things other than doing a complete relocation and throwing it in the back, but it's a problem that pretty well everybody seems to have. And see how much mud is in on the rad there. And I've pretty much done everything I can to help this problem. I built homemade Fender wells right here out of crazy carpet. Made another splash guard here on the front to help stop all the shit from getting in there. Made another one here on this side. Made a big difference. The Viking was really bad for getting plugged up before I did this stuff, but it still looks like it's getting bad. So one thing you can do on the trail, I got a sprayer, just keep it full of clean water, and it saved my ass a few times now getting plugged up and overheating. You can wash out your rad pretty decent with this. I mean, it's not perfect, but it does do the trick. And then I'm working on another thing, like a homemade Rad Genie. It's just a piece of copper pipe that's going to be able to fit right down inside here and spray sideways like you'd need to. You can't get any other kind of nozzle in there. You don't want to pressure wash it, you'll bend all the fins. So I'm going to fire this thing up and we're going to give it a whirl, see how it goes. All right, let's see. Hopefully this focuses properly. It worked really good. So I think I'm gonna have to make up a nice one that looks a heck of a lot better, and see if anybody wants one. See how much they cost to make, and maybe I could make a few. But anyway, yeah, it's this is a problem that almost everybody has. Seems like some people have this issue a little more than others, but at some point in time everybody does wind up with this problem, a plugged radiator. Mud just gets in there, there's nothing you can do about it. So unless you want to get into spending big bucks on relocates, this might be the next best thing. Anyway, see ya.